I mean, he's not just 7'3". He is a fluid 7'3". He is an intelligent 7'3". He sees the game. Maybe because he grew up so much with his father being a basketball
Right.
player, like Steph Curry,
With his
following
dad.
up with his
Mga
dad.
kapatrol, isa sa mga options ngayon ni Kai Sotto ay isang Exhibit 10 NBA contract na kung saan anytime pwede siyang makapasok sa NBA kahit na hindi siya nakapaglaro sa NBA Summer League. Well, may panahon pa naman dahil hindi pa nagsisimula ang NBA team's training camp until matapos ang Paris Olympics, and in between ay malay natin merong tatawag kay Kai at magbibigay sa kanya ng option to sign an Exhibit 10 NBA contract. Pero I doubt kung ito ang kailangan ng ating idol ngayon dahil ang Exhibit 10 contract ay hindi ito guaranteed contract, so meaning hindi pa siguradong ma-line up ang isang player sa regular season kapag merong Exhibit 10 NBA contract. Bagkos ito ay isa lamang bihikulo para sa isang player upang magpakitang gilas at ito ay opportunity to convince the team na dapat mabigyan ang isang player ng isang guaranteed NBA contract. Kaya kahit kung meron mang NBA team na magbibigay kay Kai ng Exhibit 10 contract, ay baka ito'y hindian ng kampo ni Kai dahil alam naman natin na ang target ni Kai ay ang pangmatagalang paglalaro sa NBA. Besides, ang target ni Kai ay next year pa, kaya it is more likely na kung meron mang Exhibit 10 na pipirmahan si Kai ay next year pa ito mangyayari as he already declared na babalik siya sa US to pursue his NBA dream.
But there's a presence about Kai that people aren't taking it serious. I think at this point, and that makes him a generational talent. And he is just starting his
Right.
generational
He's
talent.
only 20.
And now, I mean, what's really nice about the Gilas team right now is that we've got generational talents on that team.
Samantala, isa na namang trending mga kapatrol ang ating pag-uusapan in this video. Dahil sa latest interview ni Coach Tim Cone, meron na naman siyang mga magagandang revelasyon on Kai Sotto at sa buong Gilas team that makes him so excited. Sinabi ni Coach Tim Cone na hindi lang all about height and size si Kai, kundi isa siyang very fluid big man who can play basketball with insane basketball intelligence. At sinabi na namang muli ni Coach Tim Cone na isang generational talent si Kai at hindi na natin mabibilang kung ilang beses na itong sinabi ni Coach Tim Cone describing Kai Sotto as a generational talent.
I mean, he's not just 7'3". He is a fluid 7'3". He is an intelligent 7'3". He sees the game. Maybe because he grew up so much with his father being a basketball
Right.
player, like Steph Curry,
With his
following
dad.
up with his dad.
At isa pang revelasyon ni Coach Tim ay ang kanyang sinabi na hindi lang si Kai Sotto ang generational talent sa Gilas, nandyan rin si Junmar Fajardo na very obvious dahil sa kanyang 8-time MVP na siguradong hindi na mabubura sa kasaysayan.
You've got Jumar, who is 33, 34 years old.
34.
He's 6'10", and he is a generational player. There's nobody like him throughout this whole generation. But there's no way he could dominate in Europe. And every coach that we played against came out with a scheme to stop
Against Jumar.
Jumar. Tried to either double team him or tried to front and deny him, tried to attack him on the pick and roll so you'd leave him off before. I mean, they were doing everything they could to take Jumar out.
Contain, yeah.
So you have that one generational, and he's kind of ending his career. He's another 2 or 3,
Right.
maybe 5 years away from leaving, his career. And then you've got Kai Sotto, who's 22 years old, who's 7'3". And how many Pinoys do you know who are 7'3" who can play the game?
At nandyan rin si Justin Brownlee na tinawag ni Coach Tim Cone na isang generational import. Pero napaka-unexpected nang tinawag ni Coach Tim si Scottie Thompson na isa ring generational talent katulad daw ni Johnny Abarrientos at si Carl Tamayo ay napakataas rin ang tingin ni Coach Tim Cone sa kanya at inihambing pa kay Alvin Patrimonio. Minsan ay inihambing rin ni Coach Tim Cone si Carl Tamayo kay Kirby Raimondo. Not to mention ang mga Filipino-Americans. Kaya para kay Coach Tim Cone, ay nasa exciting times ngayon ang Gilas dahil nagtitipon-tipon ang napakaraming mga generational talent sa isang team. At balitang Olympics naman, Bam Adebayo at Team USA sinulpi ang South Sudan. Sa ikalawang paghaharap, hindi na pinaporma ng Team USA ang South Sudan. Pinangatawanan ng Team USA ang star-studded lineup na binuo ng NBA superstars at inilampaso ang South Sudan 103-86 sa 2024 Paris Olympics nitong Miyerkules na gabi sa Villeneuve d'Ascq, France. At nang magtagpo sa tune-up game, magdadalawang linggo na ang nakaraan, manipis na 101-100 lang ang panalo ng USA sa drive ni LeBron James. Sa rematch, nagsalansan si Bam Adebayo ng 18 points. Sinigundahan naman ni Kevin Durant ng 14 points para sa Team USA. Nagkasa ng 25-4 runs sa first half ang Team USA para kontrolin ang laro. We've been calling ourselves the bench mob for a long time now. And it doesn't matter who's in the lineup. We always seem to figure it out. Yan ang bida na sabi ni Bam Adebayo. At naka-double digits rin sina Anthony Edwards, 13 points, at LeBron James, 12 points. Hindi umobra ang game-high 21 points ni Noni Omot at 18 points ni Carlik Jones at 16 points ni Bol Cole ng South Sudan. Number 1 seed na sa Group C ang Team USA na uusad sa knockout match kasama sa quarterfinals ang Canada, France at Germany. At sa Sabado ay tokan ng Team USA ang Puerto Rico. May history ang magkaribal. Hiniya ng Puerto Ricans ang Americans 92-73 noong 2004 sa Athens Olympics. At sina Jason Tatum at Tyrese Haliburton isinalang laban sa South Sudan. Tulad ng ipinangako, ginamit ni Coach Steve Kerr si Jason Tatum kontra South Sudan sa pangalawang laro ng Team USA para sa 2024 Paris Olympics. Binangko ni Coach Steve Kerr si Jason Tatum kontra Serbia, binalasa ang starting five, ipinasok sina Anthony Davis at Jason Tatum para kina Drew Holiday at Joel Embiid. Hindi na pinaglaro si Joel Embiid sa 103-86 blowout win. Ipinasok na rin sa unang pagkakataon si Tyrese Haliburton sa 11-man rotation ng Team USA sa first half tungo sa 55-36 lead sa break. We've got 12 guys who are all capable of dominating. Every night is going to be a little different, but we like our chances with the number of great players we have on our roster. Yan ang sabi ni Coach Steve Kerr. Naka 4 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists si Jason Tatum sa loob ng 17 minutes of action. At may 8 points, 7 rebounds and 3 assists si Anthony Davis at naka 6 markers din si Tyrese Haliburton. Si Stephen Curry, 0-for-6 sa labas ng 3-point arc, tungo sa kanyang 3 points, 4 assists. Tumapos sa LeBron James ng 12 points, 7 rebounds and 5 assists. Namuno sa Team USA ang 18 markers ni Bam Adebayo at 14 points ni Kevin Durant na parehong off the bench. Isusunod ng Team USA ang Puerto Rico sa Sabado. Malamang ibang itsura na naman ang starters ni Coach Steve Kerr. It's a unique situation and it's not about one individual player. Competitor in you wants to play obviously, but I'm not here to make a story about myself. You win a championship, new contract, NBA 2K25 cover, Sports Illustrated. So after all of this, it's definitely a humbling experience. Yan ang sabi ni Jason Tatum.